Everyone, welcome back again on my channel today. You guys, let me tell you my struggle with this thing, filming and whatever. This year, I don't think I am the only one that does not understand what this year is actually about, because no rain, it's been so sunny. Like, you could literally sweat at any time. When you sleep, everywhere is just understand. So it's just okay to have a stable light, and we know in Nigeria there is no stable light. And when you want to film, you need a generator to even power it, and by the time you put on the gen, the noise disturbs you. So there is a lot of things that is blocking this content creation thing, and that's why I think I was only able to put out 2 videos last week, and it is so annoying. The heat is too much. Like, even currently as I'm speaking to you guys, I am sweating. So yeah, today is Monday, and because I promised you guys I was never going to be missing the recap, so I am going to be answering these questions today. And I have a very interesting question here that I'm so happy about, that someone actually asked, because I was about to make a review about this particular product. So my name is Bukola. For those of you who are new, please, if you love what we do here, please make sure you click on subscribe button. I film about skincare, YouTube tips and lifestyle vlog as well. So without further ado, let's just move straight into the questions of the day. So the very first question that I have here, but I'm going to be starting from the third one, is anti-pimples face cream and how effective it is and how it can be used. If you don't know, about last year, around June or May last year, I reviewed a particular pimples face soap. That face soap up to date is still very much effective. I told you guys that that's one of the cheapest soap that I know that can help you get rid of your acne. So if you know that you want to buy that soap, fine. But now I know that you have been seeing pictures of the renewed anti-pimples face cream, and people are starting to ask me, oh, can I use it with the pimples soap? Can I use it blah blah blah? Because I use the pimples soap at a time, so I know that it is very effective. Just that there is one thing to it: do not allow it stay too long on your face. That's number one. And number two, it dries out the skin so much. Even if you do not still allow it stay too much on your face, there's still a probability of it drying out your skin. So when I was using my own anti-pimples soap, I have hyaluronic acid, and this is it. I always buy it in a very bigger bottle. I always buy about 300 ml. I always buy the bigger one so that it will last me, because I know this thing can dry out the skin. So I need something to help me keep my face very moisturized. And if you have other hydrating serum, you can get hydrating serum to use alongside the pimples soap as well. Let's now talk about the cream. Can you use the cream? Yes, you can use the cream for your pimples. And yeah, if you're using the cream, please make sure that you get anything that is going to help you hydrate your skin, so that your skin is not going to become cranky. Even when your skin becomes cranky, it becomes dull. When your skin starts to look very cracked, it becomes very dull, and just you won't like it. So if you know that you want to go and get this anti-pimples face soap, and you want to go with the cream as well, get something to help you moisturize and hydrate your face very well. You can get, even if you cannot get even if you cannot get the hyaluronic serum as well, I can give you a go ahead to get the Dr. Rachel face cream. That Dr. Rachel face cream is actually 2,500 naira. He has vitamin C and he has hyaluronic acid in it, so it is a very good combination for you. So when you use the soap, this is just me telling you a trick. If I want to use the soap today, this is a trick that this is a way that I can use it. And if I want to use the soap with the combination of the cream, this is just my own trick, you know. But if you have whichever way that works for you, it is fine. But if you know you want to use the soap and the cream, use the soap on your face, follow up with the cream, and follow up with your maybe Dr. Rachel face cream. I have reviewed Dr. Rachel face cream in one of my vlogs before, around last year September. I can remember very well. So you can go check that video if you want to see a review on that. Just that it moisturizes the skin very well and does not let your skin look dry. So if you know that you are using this particular one, I would advise you get something like that to help you keep your skin moisturized and hydrated. And if you don't want to go with Dr. Rachel face cream as well, you can go with a particular serum that can help you hydrate your face. And I hope this week is going to be a better week, and there will be no reason to even miss any upload day. But yeah, this is what I'm able to gather for you guys. Please let me beg you and everything that please subscribe to my channel, support me, turn on your bell notification, give this video a thumbs up to help my algorithm. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. So bye guys.